Try it.
Jonah, try the cupcake. It's yummy.
Because so big, usually things are cut up pieces. Oh.
There you go. Go ahead. Oh, yummy. Is that yummy? Go ahead, give it a try.
Yeah.
It's all yours, buddy. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Go ahead. Take a bite. That's funny.
You like a smooshy.
You're gonna taste it? Go ahead, taste it.
It's okay. You're gonna play with it. It's having fun. Look at that.
Yeah, that's great. Are you gonna try it? Give it a try. See how it tastes.
Play with it.
You're gonna need a bath tonight, huh?
Oh yeah.
Don't hit it.
Play with it. Look at them. Alright, yeah, just gotta taste.
Tastes
It's
good.
pretty good.
Oh, yummy.
It's real good.
Sweet,
Yeah.
right? It's sweet.
Now. You like to play with it. It's a heck of a birthday present.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's all good stuff. We went to squishiness of that frosting. Still figured it all out. Look at him. It's funny. Ooh.
Whoa, how does that
Whoa,
feel?
look at that.
How does that feel?
Huh?
Wow. Slippery?
We're getting into it now.
Slippery?
Now what are you gonna do?
Go ahead, try it. Put it in your mouth.
Sure.
In your mouth? Oh, you stick your finger in there.
Oh. Like playing. Oh yeah, something new. Is this his first cupcake?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, because it's like he's like, what do I do with this? This isn't chicken. He's like playing the play doh. Yeah.
Jonah, it's food. You can eat it.
You haven't figured that out yet.
You do everything else.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything else goes in your mouth. How come this
Finger
doesn't?
printing.
Yeah, pick it up. Oh, you're gonna try that part? That's the part that I like, Jonah, the bottom part.
Going for the frosting. Look, his hand finger. Try that. There you go.
Oh,
Good,
yummy.
good.
You don't like it?
Let's talk about chocolate cake. No, that's good. That's frosting with it now.
You like chocolate?
Yeah, you got some frosting. Oh, all right.
Tastes good? Oh, there you go. There you go.
All right, that's our boy.
Yummy. Yummy. Tastes good, huh? Yummy, yummy. Yeah, yummy, yummy. You just like the cake part. You can eat the whole thing.
Oh, he likes a cake pop. Yeah, he does.
He likes bread.
Yeah, he loves bread.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he really likes it. Now he figured out it's okay. Oh, I have something to drink now. Go
Wash it down.
He's thirsty.
Oh.